Number one issue, it's been brought to my attention na ang dami nangyayari recently, diba guys? With the whole Gazelle situation with she. Now, let's not hate na. Kasi again, my platform is not about hate, but complications and unnecessary controversy has been brought about by all of this, diba? And what started out as, fun, shipping, kilig, turned out to be toxic na. Wherein cultures and religion are being brought about, and distance is being brought up, and sides are being chosen when it shouldn't be like that. And it's making it harder for me and her to do content together, because parang whatever we do, groups of people would push negativity, or will try to get something negative out of it. Now, I have to take care of my family here online, my gifters, my MVPs, my fans, my moderators, and it's not na parang I have to take care of them because parang walang value, because sila lang may value. It's not like that at all, and I'm not using anyone and stuff like that. For the longest time kasi, as much as I do appreciate Gazelle, for example, as a person, I do appreciate Gazelle as a person, an individual, and a content creator. Pero, wala na eh. Yung nangyari, I'm not directing this towards any specific person, but ang daming comments, diba? Na ginawa nating toxic yung content na ganito. And it hurts and it saddens me, because it shouldn't have been like that. Nadadamay ako, nadadamay siya, nadadamay yung fans ko, nadadamay yung mga people na nagsusupport sa akin since day one, guys. And pati sila nababash when hindi naman dapat ganun. Just because they're protecting me from the very aggressive and toxic commenters. So, I have to prioritize that. She's an amazing person, but right now I guess we are focusing on different things, and there's so much barriers and everything that's happening around us with the toxicity of the comment section, the bashers, the very aggressive people are not helping it at all. So we're gonna have to, I don't know what her thoughts are on this. I respect her thoughts and I wanna know, but for now, we're gonna try to bring this back to how it was before, which is the very healthy, diba? A very healthy page where people can relax and unwind instead of it being. And kung bumaba yung viewers natin, kung bumaba yung engagement, it's okay, as long as the people who were here since day one, mapatuwa natin, because sila naman yung nandito nung nababash ako, sila yung nandito nung lumalaki pa lang ako, sila yung nandito nung I wasn't here. So I have to give this to them. Because yun, I love them, but trust me, it was not easy. Questions of, hurt ba siya? Si Gazelle? I mean, I know we're not anything, but just, will she be offended with this decision of mine? Will the new fans bash me? But, I can no longer keep trying to make two groups of people happy, because that's not gonna happen. And right now, I'm choosing to make my OG fans, my family here, happy. Diba? So yun na. Yeah, that's all I have to say. So, why suddenly? Because guys, sobrang toxic na. Ang na-hurt na fans ko na may mga OG fans who, wala na guys. They go here for a place that's not negative, but again, yung live selling ko, yung mga ibang ka-PK natin, wala na na-affect na, diba guys? And it shouldn't have been like that. It means I support Gazelle, and hopefully one day, if things become healthy and stuff, I said she's always most welcome here in the Philippines. She's not just a person I've done content with. She's a person who I've somehow gotten to know these past few weeks. So she's always most welcome here in the Philippines. If she ever is here, no, not even for the content or anything. I said she's most welcome. The Philippines is her home as much as it is my home. And Yun lang, guys. Kasi, I can't do this to my family here. I have a family here and I can't do this. Sorry there. So, yung sinasabi ko lang is, this place toxic na. So, yun lang sinasabi ko. I have to bring it back to how it was before. The more I do it, the more toxic. Akala ko, nung una fan service, I gave it to them. I also want to talk to her kasi she's not a hassle person to talk to. She's very enjoyable to talk to also. Ngayon, wag niyo nang point romantic or whatever. She's just a fun person to talk to. Whether as friends, whether as content creator, she's an amazing person to talk to. She's a good person. And yun lang. But parang akala ko, I'll talk to her because I want to and because fan service. But parang hindi na naman nakukontento yung mga fans eh. Yung gusto nila is more. It starts with talking to her, and then from talking to her, maging kayo. Diba? It's sad because I don't know naman eh. You know, sky's the limit. Was I going for her? I wouldn't say that. Is she an amazing person? Yes. But we have to, you know, yung reality is, again, we have our own lives in our own countries, and we have priorities that we have to prioritize. But it shouldn't have gotten to this na naging toxic siya. Na pumili yung sides ng mga tao, na ang dami-dami na bring up, ang dami nagsalita, na hindi naman dapat, diba? I'm waiting for her reply. I gave her my thoughts, but again, I'm gonna respect her naman. I hope she can agree with me. I'm waiting for her reply. I talked to her. I said my sentiments properly. If she wants to call, we can call and talk about it properly. But yun nga, kailangan ko, I have to take care of my, not TikTok, it's not about image. I have to take care of my family here. Because nga, may mga OGs dito na nandito since day one. My family here on TikTok. Diba? Hindi ko sila pwede baliwalain. Diba? And I can also keep doing this to myself, guys. So, it was great to start because it was still positive, eh? Diba? And then, it escalated to something very... It's also painful for me, guys. Don't get me wrong. It's painful for me because hindi naman dapat ganito. Dapat walang restrictions, eh. Diba? Na I can talk to Gazelle or she can't talk to me. But again, pati siya umiyak na dahil dito, guys, eh. Diba? Pati siya umiyak na dito. Pati fans ko nababash, hindi naman dapat mabash. Ako nababash ulit. But hanggang kailan ito mangyayari, diba? No more live with Gazelle. I don't know. I mean, sana that's not the last, but if this is gonna keep happening, we cannot. Because, yun nga. And we will wait for her. But you just have to keep supporting her, okay? Support her, support the both of us. Don't choose sides. And sana everything goes well. And I'm praying everything goes well. And I have to bring this back to how it was for the longest time, which is a place of positivity, good vibes, and happiness. Thank you to everyone who supported me. Starting today, mutual decision, I'm waiting lang. But yun, guys, starting today, we're going back to how it was. Let's see how everything unfolds. Again, only God can tell. To everyone who doesn't get it, sana mag-gets you one day. And actually, okay kami. Okay kami, guys. So yun. Hindi lang pwede na maging ganito. Yun lang. But we're super okay. We're super okay. I reached out to her. I think we're just really both sad that we have to stop doing content na may limitations pang ganito. Kung hindi naman kailangan ganito just because yun ang daming toxicity. Pero we're okay. And continue to support both of us, diba? And who knows, baka one day, kaya namin bumalik sa dati without, you guys having so much pressure and expectations. Kasi we started out as friends and we're gonna remain friends, and I think it's important that you see it as that, diba? Because again, there are priorities. We have lives, we have priorities, and we have cultures and religions that you guys must respect and not overstep. And guys, umiyak na yung tao before, di ba? Hintayin ba natin umiyak siya ulit? O hintayin nyo ba na ako rin masad? I know lalaki ako and stuff like that, but come on. How much can each person take, di ba? Tao lang kami lahat at the end of the day. And yun. So don't forget to like, follow, and power tap, guys, di ba? And hope you just respect both of us because we're just trying to make a name for ourselves here in content creating, both of us. And yeah, we honestly appreciate our friendship also. It started as content, pero you know, sa dami-dami rin nangyari dito and how it helped us grow. And see, we're just seeing that we can appreciate both the hustle, the grind, and the content that we're trying to produce. We're okay. And I've said if I can share na we talked about it and all, and Gazelle said yes, you can share. Now we talked about it, and I will. If they ask me, she will also say the same thing. But wag nyo na i-bombard, guys. Wag nyo na i-pressure, wag nyo na i-bombard. Yung importante is okay kami. If you really care about us, just appreciate that and respect na okay kami. Na hindi kami nag-aaway. And yeah, that's it, guys. And if hindi na toxic yung community and we can go back to doing this content, diba? And everyone will be respectful about it, why not? Diba? But for now, we will keep our friendship private muna. Yun. Just so that wala nang toxicity muna dito. Doon lang naman bothered eh. Actually, I'm not bothered kasi takot na hurt siya. Kasi we talked about it. She did not hurt me. She did not hurt my family here online and in real life. I did not do the same to her. It's more of yung family namin are hurt because of all the toxicity and bashers here. Diba? So sana, diba, if isa kayo sa mga toxic dyan, please be less toxic. If may mga kilala kayong toxic, please call them out. Please spread more positivity here. God bless you all and always spread positive vibes, always spread good vibes, and respect lang, guys. Respect lang tayo sa everyone around us. Diba? Thank you so much, Marcos. Everyone, God bless you. See you soon, guys. Thank you. I love you all.
Hello guys, how are you? I'm good. You good? Okay, I'm good. Okay. I need talking about something. I wake up, okay, and I don't know what happened yesterday because I wake up. I was asleep. Sorry, and Tommy, he talking with me, okay, and. I'm okay. I'm okay. We also okay, guys. We will take just rest because we have about of me and Tommy bad people and talking more about anything and do anything bad, okay? And I talking with Tommy. He said I will ask about you and me also. I will ask about him. Now we have friendship, okay, private friendship. We take a rest now, guys. This better of me and for Tommy, better for me and for Tommy, okay? And he asked me, can I said for my family and life that I said yes, okay, no problem. And it's okay, guys. We just take a rest, okay? We try. Will be good. And just nothing also. I'm Sherry. Okay, guys. And we love you. No problem. But really, we need rest. Really. Okay? Just